Did you really eat the cricket? Yeah.
Hold on, let me see which one you picked. Yummy, yummy.
Alright.
Yeah. How does it taste?
Not terrible. It tasted like, I don't know, like those tasteless potato straws.
Okay, well that's good because
Ah!
I didn't eat mine. I was waiting for you to find out how it tasted before I ate mine. Alright, I guess I'll try it since you ate it and you didn't die. Ugh. I'm gonna
Get a
throw up.
fresh one.
No, this is good. This is good.
You sucked all the flavor out of it.
It almost tastes like a potato.
Right?
Yeah,
Like the potato straws.
yeah. It doesn't. It doesn't have a funky taste.
Have another one. You're nasty.
Actually, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like sunflower seeds.
Yes, that's what it does taste like.
It tastes like a sunflower seed. Like
Yeah.
after you've been chewing on it.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it tastes like.
Yeah, you're right. It does taste like sunflower seed. Oh no, you are not gonna have another one.
They're good. They're not bad. I don't want them. Let's try this one. It's a big sucker.
Aye.
Yeah, like a sunflower seed.
Huh.